$5.26 trillion. That's how massive the AI market size will get by 2035, rocketing at a 31% compound average growth rate every year from its current $274 billion spot. Now, back in 2022, one particular AI app hit 1 million users in under a week of its launch, faster than TikTok, Instagram, or anything before it. And now, this same AI app pulls in over 800 million weekly active users worldwide, with a whopping 5.72 billion monthly visits. Now, pause for a second. Could you guess what app it is? Well, you are absolutely right if you thought about ChatGPT. Now, these numbers are not just stats. They are proof AI is exploding right now, reshaping jobs, businesses, and daily life faster than ever before. If you don't jump in and learn AI today, you'll be left behind in this trillion-dollar revolution. But don't worry, you're in the right place. Before we dive deeper, here is a quick intro about me. I'm Pharrell, and I'm a computer engineer specialized in AI. The last 7 years of my life have been dedicated to programming, cutting-edge technologies, and AI applications, from building machine learning models to developing real-life solutions for businesses. I've seen firsthand how AI transforms lives, but I know this is not just for tech wizards. And that's why I'm sharing this blueprint, my exact playbook from going to zero to AI hero for folks just like you. Stick with me because in this video, I'm sharing with you my AI mastering blueprint. This is exactly what I would do if I had to learn AI from scratch again, in 3 super simple steps anyone can follow regardless of age, profession, background, or skills. But wait, AI isn't something new and has evolved over time. That's why it's worth briefly reviewing some important basics. It all started back in the 50s. A group of smart folks met at a place called Dartmouth College and said, hey, what if machines can think like us? And that kicked off the whole adventure. Since then, AI has grown into layers, each one building on the last. Think of it as a cake. The bottom layer is the base and the top is the icing that makes it exciting. The first layer is basic AI. So this is the big umbrella. It's like giving a computer strict rules to follow, no learning involved, okay? Example is a chess game on your phone that knows all the moves and picks the best one based on if-then rules. It beats you at checkers, but only because it follows the playbook perfectly. The second layer is the machine learning, or ML. So here is where it gets smarter. Instead of hard rules, the computer learns from examples. Example is your email spam filter. We call it email classification. It looks at tons of junk emails, spot patterns like words or links, and learns to toss them out without you telling it every time. The third layer is deep learning. This is a fancier part of machine learning using neural networks that works a little bit like brain with a bunch of connected dots. It handles big, messy stuff. Example is face unlock on your phone. So it studies millions of faces to recognize yours, even with glasses or a hat. Super accurate. Translations app like Google, DeepL are built on deep learning models. The fourth layer is the Gen AI or the generative AI layer. It's also the newest and most fun layer. This doesn't just learn or decide, it creates brand new things from scratch, like an artist dreaming up ideas. Example, tools like Gemini, Grok, ChatGPT, or Claude that we call LLM or large language models, generative AI. Meaning that they can create stuff like writing poems or sales copies, generating images, generating videos or music. By the way, the Gen AI layer is the segment where the majority of people will leverage AI on a daily basis. Its market is set to hit $67 billion in 2025, skyrocketing 1,400% to 1,000 billion by 2034. And this exponential growth is happening simply because it's changing everything from art to business. See? From simple robots in the 50s to creative geniuses today, AI's journey is like a tree growing taller and stronger. But now that we've got the basics down, let me remind you, if you are into coding and want to learn machine learning, deep learning, Python, I will record another video for you because this guide is not for coders. Instead, it's perfect for everyday folks like professionals, entrepreneurs, creators, teachers, self-employed, students, parents, or anyone from any walk of life. So whether you're a parent juggling schedules or a teacher sparking curiosity in kids, this AI mastering blueprint will help you stay ahead. Let us start with the foundation, prompt engineering. Think of this as the way to properly communicate with AI. In other words, being AI fluent. And it's the difference between getting poor results and getting exactly what you want from AI. Now, I know what you're probably thinking. You've heard prompt engineering so many times, but before you skip this, let me tell you why this skill is so important. First, recent industry research reveals that 78% of AI project failures stem not from technological limitation, but from poor human-AI communication, making prompt engineering the hidden catalyst behind every successful AI transformation. The same research emphasized that companies that master this discipline, meaning prompt engineering, achieve 340% higher ROI on their AI investment compared to those relying on basic prompting approaches. Second, and this is from LinkedIn, by the way, the research reports a phenomenal 434% increase in job posting mentioning prompt engineering since 2023. Companies are actively seeking talent that can bridge the gap between human intent and AI implementation or AI capability. Third, professionals with prompt engineering skills are reportedly commanding 27% higher wages than their peers without the skill. And there are tons of more reasons why you should be learning prompt engineering, but these three are honestly enough. And of course, you can find plenty of YouTube videos on prompting. By the way, I have a video on the channel called How to Master AI Prompt in 5 Easy Steps, so you can watch it later. But if you are serious about building a future-proof career, YouTube videos are just not enough. Instead, I recommend that you enroll in courses with certification because they will give you a competitive edge on the marketplace and you can leverage them on your profiles on LinkedIn, Indeed, and any other professional sites. Let me share with you 2 exceptional free resources for professional AI prompting certifications that will distinguish you in this rapidly evolving field. First, I highly recommend OpenAI Academy as your starting point. So head over to OpenAI Academy and join for free. Set up your profile and head over to the Communities tab. Here you can see all the specialized tracks offered by OpenAI Academy right now, from work users to government officials and nonprofits. But what seriously caught my attention here is that despite ChatGPT's 800 million active users, only a tiny fraction are actually participating in this community and actively developing their skills, which means that this presents an early opportunity to get ahead in this trend and reap significant benefits. As a side note, by the way, OpenAI recently announced the launch of their own AI job platform in mid-2026, which is poised to become a significant competitor of LinkedIn, of course. I personally believe that early adopters of the trainings provided by OpenAI Academy will have a substantial advantage in this new marketplace, as they will be among the first with verified skills from the source. I read that OpenAI aims to certify 10 million Americans by 2030 through partnerships like the one they did with Walmart. It's also worth noting that OpenAI is piloting certification starting late 2025 or early 2026, covering levels from basic AI prompting to AI-enabled work. So there is a wide range of skills that you can learn. And I think this represents a strategic long-term investment in your career, at least if you're interested in anything that has to do with AI. So by starting now, you will build proficiency well before the full program launches, and also you position yourself as an expert when the jobs platform fully matures. Alternatively, for a quick professional credential or certification that won't take weeks to complete, I highly recommend the Google Prompting Essentials Specialization course. So it's a 4-hour course and you will gain a certification from one of the tech's biggest name, Google. That immediately signals your AI competence to employers. Now, This course is actually free on Coursera because you can sign up for 7-day free trial. The course is 4 hours long, so you can complete it under like in a day, get your certification, and then cancel your subscription. That's just a side note. This course covers everything from basic prompting to advanced techniques for specific use cases, making it perfect for busy professionals who need a quick upscale. So in this Google course, you will learn how to write effective prompts in 5 easy steps. You will learn how to use prompting to speed up data analysis and build presentations. You will apply prompting techniques to help you with everyday work tasks and design prompts to create AI agents to role-play conversation and get expert feedback. So once you complete the course, you can share your certificate on LinkedIn and advance your career with these in-demand skills. The Google certification is particularly valuable because it's recognized across industries, not just in the tech circles. Plus, Google's approach focuses on practical applications rather than theory. So you will learn skills you can implement immediately in your work. And I'm sure you can leverage this type of certification to either negotiate a higher salary or transition into an AI adjacent role within your company. However, if you're someone who values knowledge over credentials, my top recommendation is Prompt Engineering for Generative AI directly offered by Google. So it's a 25-minute concise guide, perfect for curious minds who wants to quickly grasp prompting fundamentals without the commitment of a full certification course, okay? While it won't provide you with a certificate to showcase on your resume, it delivers all the essential knowledge in a time-efficient format. So this guide covers key prompting techniques and practical examples that you can immediately apply to your projects, making it ideal for self-learners who prioritize practical skills over formal credentials. It's 25 minutes, so you have no excuse. To keep this video short and digestible, I decided to break down my AI mastering blueprint into 3 parts. And this concludes part 1, Mastering Prompt Engineering. Be sure to watch part 2, where I will reveal the second step of my blueprint and show you how to take your AI skills to the next level. Before you go, you can download the AI Mastering Blueprints for free, along with all the resources I shared in this video by clicking on the first link in the description below.